Welcome back to Tips, Tricks, and Inspiration with the Shabby Chic Vintage Chicks. Today we're working on our gift card holder. This is an amazing tag that looks beautiful on your Christmas tree as an ornament. It also works well as a tag on a gift if you want to do it that way. But what a wonderful way to add that personal touch to giving a gift card. You know how we always joke about them being so impersonal. This totally fixes that issue. So to start off with, I'm just giving it a white coat of paint. I'm going to add a little bit of brown here with one of those Scotch-Brite scratch pads that you use for washing dishes, just a little bit along the edge. Now, I did go a little heavy along the top, but that's okay. It's just to give it a little bit of rustic wood grain look to it. Now I'm going to take some brown acrylic paint and I'm going to paint my cute little deer. Now we do have these unfinished on the website and you can go ahead and order them there, or feel free to join us for our auction because we always sell finished goods at the auctions too online. That's on Facebook. All right, so we're just going to go in and I added a little white to that brown just to give the antlers that nice, creamy color. A little bright red because of course this one's going to be Rudolph. And let's do these Christmas lights as well. So a little bit of color here with a fine tip brush. I'm going to go red and yellow and I think green. I think that'll look nice. Let me know in the comments if you enjoy these short videos. If you enjoy the tips, tricks, and inspirations that I try and put out for you every once in a while. I'm going to try and do it for the next little bit, but let me know if you enjoy them or not, okay? So here we are with a nice green light bulb as well. I'm going to go in with some gold paint and do the little hoop at the top so it kind of looks like a rivet or a washer at the top of it. Actually, I'm not sure rivet's the right word for it. Might be, but you know what I mean. Now we're just gonna glue it on. Now I'm using stick fast glue. It is my favorite glue, but like the name, it does stick fast. So if you'd like a little wiggle room, maybe use some Elaine's wood glue, or what else could you use? Let's see. Really any kind of wood glue would work. But I really like the stick fast just because it is so fast, especially when I'm doing lives and I need to hold it up and show it. The pieces then aren't sliding and falling off. But now I'm just going in and I'm going to give a little black paint for those eyeballs, a little stick fast on the back of that beautiful red nose. It's coming along very quickly. Let's get those lights into place and a little press down. Now I'm going to go through after and use some glossy accents, and I'm going to put it on the nose and I'm going to put it on those light bulbs as well. It's really going to give it that glassy look and help it pop. Here I am just doodling on a cute little smile. Let's get some white paint on the back. This time I'm going to use a paintbrush. It's a little heavier of a white on the back. Sometimes I use a brush, sometimes I use a sponge, sometimes I use a baby wipe. It all depends on the mood. I'm sure you all agree. You're probably the same way. This is the part that holds the gift card, okay? This little U shape. So we're going to put some stick fast on there. We're going to take that white piece and put it on top. Make sure it's all nicely lined up. And then we're going to flip it over once it's dry, put some more glue there, and you can see how that gift card just slides right in there. Is not a wonderful idea? Now, maybe this reindeer is not your cup of tea, and that is okay. You could always buy some of these that are blank. We made them blank now, so you could decorate them however you want. I hope you enjoy.